Hey my friends, my name is Terry. Welcome to my channel English with Terry. In this video, I want to show you how to use the verb to explain perfectly. My students have a lot of little problems with this verb, so I want to show you how to use it perfectly. English with Terry. So the first thing is about the pronunciation, right? Explain. Really let the mouth come down. Explain. And the second and most important point is it must always take the word to, right? It's to explain to. This is the classic mistake. Can you explain me what to do? When in English, it must be, can you explain to me what to do? Another example is, I need to explain her the situation. I need to explain the situation to her. It's just the way we say it in English. So just to be clear, we would have to explain. It could be it, this, that, the problem, the situation, something, to, and then the person, right? Can you explain this to me? But we don't say, can you explain me, or can you explain her, or explain them, right? You must have to between explain and the person. Another common mistake, common problem, is the word explanation, right? Explanation. That the word explication, I think it exists in the dictionary, but we don't really use it. In modern English, it's definitely explanation, okay? The last point is about how to pronounce explain in the past. Now, it's a regular verb, so we put ed, right? But a lot of students start to pronounce explained when it's not explained, but explained. If you can imagine that the E just disappears, right? Try with me. Explained. Explained. Not explained, but explained. So try this one. I explained the problem to him. Not I explained him or I explained him, but I explained the problem to him. Or you explained the problem to me, right? Always remembering that that E in explained past is silent and always using the word to. You explained the problem to me. Got it? Okay guys, this is my first YouTube video for the whole channel. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or doubts about this video, please leave a comment, or you want to ask for a different video. And if you can, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please support me because more and more videos are coming. I hope to make lots and lots of videos for you guys. Also, don't miss my free listening strategies course, which you can find a link in the description. And you can learn all the strategies that I use and used to become an expert linguist and be fluent in 4 languages. Okay? Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.